moon climbs high o'er the dead oak tree.
Spooks arrive for the midnight spree.
Creepy creeps with eerie eyes.
Dark to shriek and harmonize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell,
we're coasting where spirits dwell.
Restless bones etherealize.
Rise as spooks of every size.
When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake,
spooks come out for a swing and wake.
Happy haunts materialize
and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide.
For a silly spook, they sit by your side.
Shrouded in a dark disguise,
they pretend to terrorize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize.
As the moon climbs high o'er the dead oak tree,
spooks arrive for the midnight spree.
Creepy creeps with eerie eyes.
Dark to shriek and harmonize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell,
we're coasting where spirits dwell.
Restless bones etherealize.
Rise as spooks of every size.